Okay, a very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing for Friday, the 5th of May. So first of all, taking a look at the chart, we see no fronts immediately at the top of us, but we've got this trough line painted here and a couple of them around. And going back overnight, you see these fronts much closer, which I think we're just seeing the tail end of at the moment. Isobars bringing in southwesterly winds, but not too strong. Looking ahead to tomorrow, a little bit of a bleak outlook with these front sats just over the top of us, and we're quite close to the low pressure system there. But Sunday depends on the positioning of all of this, but hopefully a little bit more settled. We have got a weather warning issue for today for thunderstorms, and that's valid from that's 10 o'clock this morning till 1 p.m. I think that's the only one. And yeah, saying thunderstorms and hail are likely to affect the airfield at times. Winds today, we're looking pretty much down 2-3. It's probably about 215 at about 15 to 20 knots. And the current view from above, it looks like we can see some showers down here in the channel that are coming our way. Otherwise, reasonably cloudy and quite damp out there at the moment. And the very radar is showing a reasonably strong shower to the north of us. Won't affect, but various showers around us to the south and west. And that's going to be the trend for today. If we look at the rainfall forecast, you see that area at the moment. As we go ahead an hour or so, it begins to pass through this sort of second blob here. Looks like it will get us mid-morning. But looking like by about midday, the majority of that should be through. And maybe a flyable period after that. Looking ahead to 1-2 o'clock, we can see it's going to just be scattered showers, and we're really depending on where these end up. It's quite hard to forecast that, but some of these quite colourful bits may have hail and thunder in them. Going ahead through the afternoon, much the same, just scattered showers around. It looks like the majority of them are to the north of us, so hopefully at Lasham we won't do too bad, but I would imagine certainly the potential for some heavy downpours later on. Public forecast saying very similar. Showers this morning until about midday, and then the odd scattered shower in the afternoon, but with sunny intervals. Feeling quite warm at 15 degrees, although that southwesterly breeze may make it feel a little bit colder. Otherwise, good visibility when it's not raining. Top temperature today of about 15 or 16 degrees and a dew point of about 11, so a reasonable split there. And the current temperature is 12 degrees at Lasham with a dew point of 10. Farnborough's METAR, 27 minutes ago, saying 10 knots of wind from the southwest, scatter clouds at 1,000 feet, broken clouds at 2,800 with showers in the vicinity, much like what we're seeing at the moment. Their forecast is quite a long one, as you might expect. So 9 knots from the southwest, a few clouds at 1,200, broken clouds at 2,000, but we've got a probability 40 here. That's 7 till 10 a.m. of broken clouds at 800 feet and rain showers. And another one from 10 till 4 p.m. Rain showers again, and another one same time for lower clouds and cumulonimbus, heavy rain showers, thunderstorms and rain. So they're very much covering themselves there. I think we could get anything. Oops, excuse me. And looks like there may be a little bit of soaring to be had in between the thunderstorms. It's quite unstable air, so I'd expect some usable thermals in between. Top meteo saying up to about 2,000 to 2,500 feet. This is 1 o'clock. But you see these green areas and red bits. That's a forecast downpour and potential thunderstorms. NOTAM wise, nothing to affect today. 24 here is that Coronation NOTAM amendment, which is active tomorrow. And nothing really in the Lasham area, with the potential of exception of number 15 out here to the west of just some high intensity radio transmissions. So nothing that's going to affect us locally. So operationally today, we're going to be 2-3 when we go flying. The launch point in a fairly normal position, and the winch probably down here somewhere. We should be able to go to a normal setup, depending exactly how wet the grass is. Although if it is particularly wet, I'll offset the launch point to the left-hand side of 2-3 as you see it here, so that we can actually launch off the runway. Otherwise, we've got a 737, not sure if it's in or out, at 12 and at 3 p.m, which, as usual, subject to change. So I think for the moment, stand by. It should be flyable this afternoon, and we should be able to go flying in between all those thunderstorms if there's not too many in our area. Just a note of safety, if we do go flying, make sure we're parking gliders properly with plenty of tyres on them. If we get these heavy showers going through, it's quite likely there'll be gust fronts on them. So be very cautious there. But, hopefully I'll see you around the airfield about midday. Bye for now.